We're checking out a 71 Z28, yes, an authentic Z28, split bumper, RS headlamps, hugger orange, black stripe, black interior. This car's got a 383 stroker in it, it's got AC, it's got power steer, power brakes, the list goes on. Coming as we take a deep dive, we'll go around it, we're gonna key it on, listen to that small block rumble, and we're gonna go for a drive. This is available, it's a new arrival here at LaFontaine Classic Cars, and you can find all the info down in the description below. We're gonna dive in right at the front end here. Gorgeous looking little bumperettes on here. Nice clear lenses, grill all in one piece, looking good. Our front nose fits well, paint's in great shape. Got a hood release right in here. Woo! 383 stroker, billet front drive, vintage AC. It's got dual electric fans on the front of it, keeping things cool. MSD ignition, ceramic coated long tube headers. It really rumbles. Top of the cowl nice and clean, firewall nice and clean. Inner fenders has gorgeous paint on them. Seal this up. Rolling down the side of the car, we got some 17-inch Kragers looking fly on here. That's a 215/50. On that 17, you see the disc brakes beyond there. There's Z28 badge in. Nice slick paint, nice crisp edges. Door edge moldings. Door handles look to be new. Out back, we're sporting a whole bunch more tire this time at 255/60 on that matching 17-inch rim. Dual stainless tips are exiting all sleek out of here. Love the spoilers on the Z28s. Love this tail panel. These lights are sweet. We'll pop open this trunk. I know this car has some upgraded sound systems as well. Oh yeah. So that little drum there is a sub box actually that comes through the package tray. Seal in good shape. Underside of the deck lid looks good too. Seals up good. And from high to low, bottoms of these doors, bottom of the fenders, tops of the fenders, tops of the doors, the roof, everything looks really sharp on here. Smooth action on the doors. These door edges, those lower corners look really nice and clean, as do our inner jambs and sill plates. These cards are in a nice condition. We got manual window cranks, we got remote mirror control over here. Beautiful seat covers, I dig these buckets. Console looks to be new, and the carpet in here, all nice and bright. I'm digging it. Nice billet adapter to this Grant 3-spoke wheel. We got a set of digital gauges in here. All in factory location, nothing has to be cut up, there's no new holes, they just drop in and work very well and look very cool. Gauges for oil pressure, water temp, RPMs, mile per hour of course, an odometer. We got a voltmeter and a fuel gauge down over here. This car has been upgraded with a Pioneer head unit. Got a couple of speakers up in the package tray and that subwoofer I was telling you about. Check out this glove box. Nice, clean, simple. Love seeing original stickers in here. In our center console, we got a remote to play with that radio, but just clean and simple in here as well. Floor mats back here, a little ashtray, package tray looks good, sail panels look nice, headliner, not in bad shape, no tears, holding firm. Visors look good too. Our trim around here is in nice condition as well and finished in a satin black. And then the seat backs, these look really good. Nice turn indicator lights up right on the dash. As we get closer to them open roads, we'll play with this radio. Sounds very nice. And thing shifts very smooth. Motor nice and happy, coming up through the RPM range as well. Gauges are all live, looking good. Got some AC, we can play with that. That is very nice to have in your old muscle car. Air is blowing nice and cold. Power brakes feel awesome. Entering our first turn here. Our car feels nice and tight. Woo! This 383 sounds awesome. Plenty of power to get you down the road. Turn number 2 here. I think we're in a Corvette. This thing's tight. It does have the benefit of front and rear sway bars. That's nice. And in case you're wondering, we got a 391 Posi-Track unit out back in this axle housing. If you want to see anything more or maybe want to know more about it, a couple of things. You can drop us a line anytime. That number is 248-714-2110, or send us an email over to inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Down in the descriptions of these videos, if you're checking this out on YouTube, we put a link to view the full listing on our website. This car has just gone live. So you click that, go over there, you can check out the price, you could check out pictures high and low, we put them up in the air, and also get a breakdown on what we know, where it's been, and what has been done.